In Affinity Photo, select multiple layers, then go to Filters and down to Distort and down to Equations. Then set Polar for coordinate system, R divided by 4 and then T times 4. Set the extend mode to mirror and then move the design. All the layers now are transformed in multiple ways, and you can create literally infinite combinations of design simply by using multiple layers. Click apply. The key thing, select a layer. This layer is made up of designs created with lighting effect. The key filter, go to Filters, down to Distort and Mesh Warp. Main reason, I want some transparency in this. I want to distort this design so I can see the background. So I can just warp it, literally infinite combinations. You can create all kinds of designs such as this. Then click apply. With this design you can also add some effects. So go to the Layers panel, click Effects, then 3D. I like to just give a bit of depth to it. And also click to Outer Shadow and set them about midpoint. And close. Then hold down the Alter Option key and duplicate the layer, and then resize and rotate. Hold down the Alter Option again and resize and rotate, and you can apply that multiple times, say 5 or 6 times. Then select all the layers, then go to Filters, Distort and Equations. And use exactly the same as before. Polar, R divided by 4 and T times 4. And you go for mirror as well. And then you can distort it, change the origin point and move it around and create all kinds of unique designs and click apply. If you've got any questions, please put in the comments below. Bye.